Hey everyone, welcome back to Zone Off-Road, where today we have a 3-inch lift for the 2-door Wrangler JLs 2018 and newer. So let's go ahead and see what's in the boxes. This kit will come with front and rear coil springs to set the ride height, maintain ride, and improve articulation. When it comes to shocks, there's the Nitro-series gas shocks for smooth on and off-road performance. Front and rear extended sway bar links are included to correct sway bar operating angles. For the back of the Jeep, there's a rear track bar bracket to recenter the axle. Front and rear bump stop extensions are also included to properly limit the suspension up travel. Front lower control arm cam washers are included to correct front end caster. This lift kit comes with easy to follow instructions to help install this lift kit, but if you don't feel comfortable installing this lift kit, go ahead and take it to an authorized Zone installer. And the last part to include is a Zone Off-Road banner sticker. This 3-inch lift will allow clearance for 35 to up to 37-inch tires. If you want to learn more about this lift kit, go ahead and visit zoneoffroad.com or follow any of our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube.